Shamai. My name is Patricia Vallis. I run the pre-professional program at Ballet Cymru. We want to show you what an international company we have. So I will be teaching you a phrase in French. I lived there from the age of 5 till 17 and did most of my schooling there, half in a French school, half in an American school in Paris. So we're going to say, restez chez vous et lavez-vous les mains, which means stay at home and wash your hands. So, very slowly, restez chez vous et lavez-vous les mains. One more time. Restez chez vous et lavez-vous les mains. So, give it a go if ever you go back to France after all this and see what happens. Have fun. Next up is Duets Post with Louise Prosser. Bye.